Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are on the second video review for our iTel Fit O23 Plus smartwatch. On our previous video, we focused on the design, the specs, as well as the UI. On this video, we'll focus on the menus and features. So if you are interested to know more about this wearable, you want to know the loaded features, watch this video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the offered menus and features of the new iTel Fit O23 Plus smartwatch. So here's our features here. You do have a playful emoji alerts. You also have here WhatsApp quick reply. We have advanced heart rate and sleep tracking, Bluetooth calling, and message notification. Okay. So let's check. Okay. Again, here's the design of our wearable. Metallic finish, metal body frame, including the buttons here. We have notifications on the bottom part, a dashboard for different apps here, options and settings, and to access the menu, just press the power button here. So this is for sports. Okay, so what are the offered menus and features here in our iTel Fit O23 Plus? Let's check. So we have here the workout. We'll check all the sports later on. We have the workout records. We have daily activity tracking. So it monitors the steps, the calories, the time, and that's it. Okay. Can we use this to navigate? Yes. We do have the sleep monitoring, the heart rate monitor with graph and resting heart rate here. We have the blood oxygen monitoring. The same, we also have here the graph and average blood oxygen. We have the pressure here. I guess this is for our relaxation monitoring. Okay. And we have one tap measurement. We have a breathing guide. So this is more of a stress monitoring function. Okay. This is a Bluetooth call. We do have a camera control function, music control function. It's only activated when you are connected with a phone or the support app. We have AI voice. We also have here find phone, weather report. We have a calendar. Okay. What else do we have here? Okay, we have alarm clock. We have the timer, stopwatch, Pomodoro timer. We also have it here. We have the calculator, a flashlight. We also have here an e-card. Drain, this is for water. We have the game here. How many games do we have? We have 4. We have Flying Bird, 2048, Snake, and Dodge. And of course, we have the settings. So for the display, we have a watch face, the layout. This is the menu. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 menu options. We have the brightness settings, screen off time. So what's the highest here? We have 20. Okay, we have raise to wake option, cover to sleep, and recovery reminder. We have sound and vibration, do not disturb mode, ringtone, vibration, with 3 options here, none, weak, and strong. We have battery. Okay, you can set it to power saving mode, password or security pin for your smartwatch. System, this includes the restart, power off and reset. And we have here the about section. We have the QR code for the support app and the version of our wearable. iTel ISW O23 Plus model. Okay, again, for the features, so here are the loaded features. So what do you think of the smartwatch? I think it covers all the basic and the advanced for features in smartwatches. Let's see for the sports. You can also access it here. Press. So we have outdoor running, indoor running. Again, we don't have a built-in GPS, more of a connected GPS. Free training, badminton, basketball, football, and more. Okay, so it has a very good number of sports. We do have different categories here. We have common workouts, indoor fitness, ball sports, outdoor sports, dances, combat sports, competitive sports, recreational sports, and ice sports. Let's see. Common workouts. So here are the common workouts. The indoor fitness, we have it here. Do we have swimming? Okay, we have a dumbbell here. Okay, I don't see any swimming here. Yeah, ball, dances, combat, recreational. Let's see. Okay, so seems like we don't have a support for swimming here. Okay, anyway, that's it for the offered menus and features for our wearable. Okay, so it got the basic and advanced features. We have health, sports, Bluetooth call, and we do have here. Okay, we will test this one. Playful emoji alerts and a WhatsApp quick reply. Okay. Again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below and support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.